Hi guys, Hostinger now offer a website builder, something that been missing from this affordable provider for a while. Naturally, the question arises: is Hostinger website builder by any good compared to other? Let's dive in with my Hostinger website builder review. Before we get started, I have left the best discount deal in the description below. Is it easy to use? Unlike most website builder with Hostinger, you are buying a hosting plan that includes the builder. This is a great deal while platform like Squarespace sell plan for just one shot. Hostinger builder lets you create up to 100 websites with a single affordable plan. However, this means there are no try before you buy option. You pay upfront, but there are 30-day money back guarantee, and the plan are some of the most affordable in the industry. We will talk pricing later. After setting up my account, I choose Hostinger website builder. That builder offer our 100 unique login template. While some start to look similar, many are modern and flashy with no premium locked option. You can use any template. The editor. Now let's look at how to build a website with Hostinger. The editor is simple and no code, quite a different from the tool. Heavily focus on editor like Wix. I have said the minimalistic design editing element is easy. Just rank them from the tab. Although there are not many elements to choose from, there image for most website. I love how you can add image from free libraries on your phone quickly. A feature beginner well appreciated is the grid system. It split the design into Squarespace, speeding up the process by eliminating the need to move element pixel by pixel. I wish there were more animation and style setting up. I am happy with what's available. Pricing. Now for the fun part, pricing. Hostinger is one of the best value providers since you are buying hosting, not just a website builder. It's super cheap. The first plan is under $2 a month, allowing you to build one website with free SSL and weekly backup, cheaper than Wix or Squarespace. The true value throw lies in the premier plan. For under $3 a month, you get more storage, no bandwidth limit or free domain, and up to 100 websites. That probably the best deal out there. Specifically with our discount link below, the stringent renewal rate are also consumer friendly with price doubling instead of skyrocketing. E-commerce. Hostinger website builder is great for personal project, but about e-commerce, while it cannot compare to Shopify, it's perfect for small business. The simplicity of the builder is a plus for those just wanting to sell a few items online. Managing inventory and editing product is smooth and quick, and only basic info requirement. Performance is crucial, specifically for online shop. If your site loads slowly, you will lose customer. Google recommended load time under 2.5 seconds. Original website builder is light and fast with a load time of 1.8 seconds, better than 99% of builder I have reviewed and within a Google recommended time frame. Blogging. Hostinger shine for business site and portfolio, but not as much of blogging. You get basic tool to create a decent blog, but it lacks the advanced feature of platform like WordPress. Plus, you have to build each post as separate page, which can be tedious. AI tool. Hostinger Web Builder offer a few AI tools to help you get started. An AI logo generated, AI written, and heat map feature can assist in managing your website. While not groundbreaking, these tools are helpful for beginners. Conclusion. If you are looking for a lightweight and effective website builder, Hostinger might be the answer. It's the cheapest premier web builder on the market with above standard performance and plenty of resources. I highly recommend it giving Hostinger a try. Thanks for sticking around for this Hostinger review. If you want more, leave a like on this video. See you all later.